Saturday. Where are you going to go?
I'm going to my fake school today.
You're to fake school?
I'm bringing some toys.
Okay. Well, do I get a hug and kiss goodbye?
You have to pick me up from the school bus.
I love you.
Bye, Mom.
See you later.
After my
The phone?
This stuff.
What color is this?
Blue.
No, it's not blue. It's red.
Blue.
Red.
Blue. I can't put my leg in my pants.
Okay.
Help. Can you hold the snowman's carrot nose?
Yep.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, babe.
Whoa!
Go ahead.
Mommy,
Yes.
I want to get on this something else.
You better open it.
All right.
Now,
Go ahead and open it.
peel it. Whole thing.
Go like this.
A dollhouse! That's what I wanted!
Christian, maybe take one too.
What do you think?
They can go upstairs and downstairs. They have a potty.
What do you think about this?
There's a bed, and there's a swing.
It can swing. It can swing, Jack. I'm going to go get my Barbie.
That's a good idea.
Hey, there's one for each Barbie. A girl and a girl.
Hey, look at your little couch down here. Feel your couch. It's so soft.
It
And you-
has feathers on it.
And you can move it all around.
Best Christmas ever!